If you ask me, then the single most important concept to understand the layout and the design of a web page would be the CSS box model. This concept is necessary for laying out the elements in a web page. Now, if you compare a HTML element with a house, then you can easily understand this concept. So what do I mean by that? Say you have to build two houses side by side. This is house 1, this is house 2. Now let's see the top view of these houses. Say this is the top view of house 1, this is the top view of house 2. Each of this house has a single room, and this would be the walls around the house. And we have a road as well in front of the houses. And this is the carpet area. Now if you compare this setup with the HTML page and an individual house with the HTML element, then this gap between two houses, or this gap between a house or a road, will be similar to the gap between two elements. This thing is called margin, and this gap between the carpet area and the usable area and the wall is similar to the gap between the content area, where the text or image will go, and the total area of the element. This space is called padding of the element, and this wall is similar to the border of an element. So inside an element where all the text and images are reside is called the content area. The white space between total area and the content area is the padding. The line around the element is the border, and the gap between two elements is called the margin. So this is all you need to know about CSS box model. If you think you learned something from this video, then consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll be uploading web development related video every week. Thank you for watching. Bye.